Maayong buntag! Hello everyone! I am Violi Magnaye and welcome to my Visaya class. Ma- Today, we will learn how to ask for directions. Keep an open mind for learning and pen and paper for better memory as we go through this lesson. Today in Visaya class, we will learn how to use the Visaya language to travel anywhere in the Visayas region. Asking questions. Asking for directions. Where are you going? Asa ka paingon? Where am I? Asa man ako? Unsaon na ako pag-abot didto? How do I get there? Andam ka na ba sa pagbiyahe? Adto na ta. Are you ready? Let's go. Driver, pwede nimo ihatod ako sa Iloilo City? Driver, can you take me to Iloilo City? Dali, sulod, come in. Asa man ako? Where am I? Naa ka sa Iloilo City. You are in Iloilo City. Yun sa di mo pag-abot din How did you get here? Nagsakay ko dire, sakay sa jeep gikan sa Rojas City. I went here by jeep from Iloilo, Rojas City. Family tree. Father, amahan. Mother, inahan. Big brother, manong. Big sister, manang. Little brother, manghod. What did we learn? Number 1, how to ask directions in Visaya. Number 2, members of the family in Visaya. Number 3, places in Panay Island. Thank you for watching the third session of the Visaya class by Ako Pinay. Please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.